This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Beautifully updated, 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhome conveniently located just a short distance to the oceanfront beaches, boardwalk and fine dining. Amazing bright and open floor plan with cathedral ceilings and living area, gorgeous new designer kitchen, newly renovated bathrooms, first floor primary suite with fireplace and breakfast bar, additional third floor primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms, inviting covered patio, second floor balcony, lily fenced yard and garage. Many updates including new hardy plank siding on front of home, newer roof and lighting. Community pool. For more information, review the details below.